I did ride along with my brother who was in highway patrol back then, and it kind of came out where we were posted in Victoria, and a friend of his, another trooper out of Edna, Texas, radioed for backup. Evidently, four guys had robbed a convenience store at gunpoint, pistol whipped the clerk, and took off. So they were going south on 59 towards Victoria. So my brother intercepted. Of course, I'm in the passenger seat, and I've never been exposed to anything like that. And my brother pulled a Luger out from under the seat and he gave it to me. And he said, "You know how to fire a gun?" I go, "Yeah. I mean, we shot a cans at the ranch, that kind of stuff." And he goes, "Well, I'm going to put us towards the ditch. Um, roll your window down, open the door, and just hide inside that little opening between the car and the door. And just first guy who comes out, just aim for the chest, aim for the chest." And I'm thinking, wow, this is cool, right? And so Bill Davidson, who was a lead trooper on the felony car stop, he initiates the stop, gets all the guys out, has them spread eagle on the that we're talking about close to 100-degree weather on the highway. And so he and my brother were getting ready to start strapping these guys down. And Bill gives me a shotgun and he says, "Stay on him." I said, "Okay," And they handcuff him and stuff like that, and other troopers show up and everything, and they're doing their talking and everything. I'm still pointing at a shotgun at these guys and say, "Hey, you can chill out now, right?" And I'm thinking, this is so cool. So I said, "Yeah, and yeah, I did say that's what kind of inspired me to want to go into law enforcement. But over time, it's just, you're really trying to make some serious decisions. And graduating from college, and I figured, well, I don't want to go work as a cashier at a bank or do whatever. So I started thinking about, the police academy, the same one they attended. And they were thinking, well, because they'd already gone through it. And one was still working for state narcotics. And he said, "You know what? You get paid a whole lot more if you join the federal government."